Hi there, I'm Dr. Jherie Ducombs, Assistant Chief Medical Officer here at North Oaks Health System, here to give you this week's COVID-19 update. Currently, at North Oaks, we've tested 240 positive patients out of approximately 1,200. We have 60 positive patients in-house and 22 more suspected. 7 of those are on the ventilator, and 45 have been successfully discharged. I want to review with you some data that we received from the Louisiana Department of Health earlier this week, highlighting the discrepancies in mortality rates in some of our patients here in Louisiana. A disproportionate number are African American. They're also hypertensive and diabetic, so it's important that you continue to take care of yourself and self-isolate during this pandemic. I also wanted to let you know that earlier this week, the Louisiana Department of Health issued an order extending the ban on non-emergent medical and surgical procedures until May 1st. They've also extended the order to restrict visitors into the hospital setting for the same amount of time. We thank you for your cooperation. North Oaks remains prepared to provide health care to our community during this pandemic. We have the capacity and we have the personal protective equipment, but we do need your help in conserving all that we have. This Easter weekend, I'd like to continue to encourage you to self-isolate and social distance. It's so important. We've come so far and we don't want to lose the gains that we've had. So I know that you're used to enjoying the weekend with your family and friends. And this weekend, we're going to have to ask you to do that by Skype or Zoom. In closing, I'd like to send a tremendous thank you to our staff. Each one of our staff members plays an important role here at North Oaks Health System. We couldn't provide the services that we do without each and every one of you. I'd also like to thank our community members. Because of you, we've been able to distribute hundreds of homemade masks, other supplies, and donations of food to our staff. So thank you.